Hello, Forever family, and welcome to the prep day of DX4. As a Forever Global family, we're going to join together and support each other as a new year begins. We're going to all do DX4 as a family, including many of the staff here at home office. I will be doing it. It'll be my 14th time doing it. And I'm actually joined today by Astrid Westerfeld from Germany. And Astrid has joined us with a very special purpose. She actually has sold a few DX4 since it launched, but she has never done DX4 to this point. And however, she has decided to do it with our whole goal and our campaign kicking off here in January. Welcome, Astrid. Thank you so much for spending time with us.
Hello, Holly. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. So help me understand, what made you decide to do DX4 now?
Well, of course, it's the beginning of the year and it's a good moment to get the energy and to set new goals and get your body based to the most important things like health and motivation and energy. So I think it's a best moment to start finally.
I love that, starting on a new year. I think it's important as we start DX4 to realize that you can start the program at any point, correct? We don't want to wait till that perfect opportunity, but you had mentioned that you had delayed putting off DX4 for some reasons. Why don't you go ahead and share that? Because I think your experience is quite common.
Yeah, if you're starting a program like that, you have to feel the moment is correct and that you can put all your energy and all your mindset up into this program. So you have to arrange a little bit that the time is right and that you are not disrupted by any celebration or any stress factor or things just in the family which are just disturbing you. So to get the most effort out of it, you have to choose the right moment, and I think the beginning of the year will now make it.
Well, I'm glad you've decided to do it. And I know you'd mentioned you had parties, you had events, you had just things that had gotten in the way and distracted you, and now you're focused. And I want to encourage everybody in the Forever world, whether you're an FBO or a consumer here for the first time, there's no perfect time like the present. The best time to start is right now. So when you have that thought, I need to do DX4, commit to doing it. It's only 4 days. It's a short period of time, but the results can truly give you a great jump start into day 5, 30, 60, 90 until you do DX4 again. So thank you for sharing why you decided to do that with us, Astrid. So how do you personally plan on preparing for DX4?
Yeah, of course. I worked through the booklet that I'm really know what is coming first and second and what I have to prepare to get the most out of it. So I do my food shopping before and I prepare the meals for the rest of the family that they have the next days. They have their things and I do not have to cook and to concentrate on their things, and that I have a small time factor or time slots to get my mind set up to do the works or the things which are mentioned in the booklet. You have to work on and to get the mind free and so that I have time to focus on myself and my inner motivation and having time to do some sports meanwhile and to go out to have fresh air and those things. So that's how I'm going to prepare. So a little bit of time table wrapping and
Wonderful.
Of course having all the things I need in the house.
Of course. I love what you said, Astrid, that you have not only prepared for yourself, But where you have a family, you've actually pre-prepared meals for them. That is such a great tip, because I think many times we think, I'm going to be doing DX4. I live with my family. They may not be doing the same eating that I'm doing, but I love that you've prepared in advance. So that way everything's ready to go. And then you're not tempted by whatever it is you're cooking for your family for dinner. I think that's brilliant. I love that. So looking at the DX4 program, you're aware of the booklet, you're aware of all of the tasks you do each day, you know what the supplement schedule is, you know how you prepare your salad on days 3 and 4. What is something that you're most apprehensive about, or something that may have you a little concerned, or that you see maybe challenging with DX4?
Yeah, I hope my expectation is not too high. You know, I already know the Clean 9 or C9 program very well, and I love it, and it's perfect. And you get this motivation and this energy, and so I'm expecting quite a lot of the DX4 to get really the body and the soul connected, and to have the nutrition really working together and getting you the most the best feeling. So I'm a little bit afraid to have the expectation of the program maybe too high. So that's
I love
what
that.
I'm facing a little bit.
And you know what, Astrid, I can personally assure you, we've had C9 around for about 15 years, and it's an amazing program. DX4 is a shorter period of time. I think your expectations are going to be spot on, because first, it's forever products, and they're the highest quality and the highest safety. So you can't go wrong there. Second, it's designed, the DX4 program is designed for today's consumer who truly is aware of the importance of meditating, of spending some self-care time, of grounding the mind, body, and the soul, and being aware of the health, the nutrition options that you're putting into your body. So I think you're going to be pleasantly surprised. In fact, I can't wait to touch bases with you after you complete DX4, and to hear about the things you've learned, and to hear about your success, because I'm certain you're going to experience great success.
I hope so.
Well, let's talk about what you're most looking forward to. We talked about something that you might be a little concerned or apprehensive about. What's something you're looking most forward to?
Yeah, that's really easy. It's just the 4 day you have, and there I really hope to get the metabolic rate to get high again, and to clean, and to come back to what is important for my body. What does the body need at all? Is it always what you it's not to see something and to think, oh, I must have it, but to know this is what I really need. And this basic for the body, to find out, to come back to the roots, and just to live with smaller things, and not those overflow of food and overflow of products. And
I love that. You talk about overflow, overconsumption, too much, whether it's too much food or temptation or cravings or sugars, or even too much temptation, too much distraction from social media or email or text or energy. It's just, we're over consuming and putting out so much more and taking in so much more today than we ever have before. So I'm excited as well for you. I think you're going to find that DX4 really does give you that opportunity to pause, to reset, to re-engage with your body, and to recognize when you make those small changes, how powerful your body responds with such small changes. So I'm excited for you. I think you're going to love DX4. And you've shared DX4 and have promoted it to other people before even having done the program. So tell me, what about the program is most appealing to you, and what do you share with others?
To be honest, it's a shortness, and it's a powerful basic for the next products we have, like C9, F15, or the cleaning month. So you're coming back to those things what your body is needing, and it's getting cleaned, and the liver is prepared, and you're getting rid of all those unlucky things you have in your body. So it's really to get those motivation and this lightning from the inner part, and it's the best of what the aloe of course can do and can offer, and therefore it's this is the most important thing, that you have the aloe with it to clean and to lighten and to give motivation. So that's how I'm going to sell it, and that's how I'm or what I'm expecting, that's getting this round. Shining.
That's shining. I love that. I love your importance and your focus on aloe vera, and that cleaning, and you mentioned preparing all of those body elements in order to move forward with better choices. And that's exactly what DX4 does. So we're here on the preparation day. It's important to not skip over this day. It's important to do the work, to look through the booklet and be aware of what will be expected of you on days 1, 2, 3, and 4, so that you can get the very most out of the DX4 program. So Astrid, thank you so much for spending time with us today. It's been lovely visiting with you. You've had a lot of great insight. I wish you the best of success when you actually complete DX4. And do me a favor, I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to hear about all the amazing things you've experienced and how wonderful the benefits were for you. So thank you everybody for joining us. You're going to make this program the best yet. If it's your first time, welcome. If it's your third or your fourth, or like me, the 14th time that you've done it, keep going. You're going to experience success. And I can't wait to hear how wonderful you all feel on day 5. Astrid, thank you so much for spending time. Big hugs and loves, and we'll chat soon.
Bye-bye, Holly. Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.